Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a MailerLite newsletter in Canva. This is a fantastic way to design beautiful professional newsletters using Canva's tools and then send them directly through MailerLite without any complicated exporting process. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're signed in so you can access all of Canva's features and integrations. After logging in, look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options. Click on More to expand additional features. From the expanded menu, click on Apps. This section houses all the third-party integrations that Canva offers, allowing you to connect your designs with other platforms seamlessly. In the Apps section, you'll see a search bar at the top. Type in MailerLite and hit Enter. The MailerLite app should appear in the results. Go ahead and click on it to open the integration. This app is what bridges your Canva designs with your MailerLite email campaigns. Once you open the MailerLite app, you'll be presented with two options. You can either use InExisting Design if you already have a newsletter template you're working on, or use In-New Design to start fresh. For this example, let's click on Use In-New Design so we can build a newsletter from scratch. After selecting that option, Canva will prompt you to set your canvas dimensions. Click on Custom Size and input the width and height you want for your newsletter. Common dimensions for email newsletters are around 600 pixels wide, but you can adjust this based on your preferences. Once you've entered your dimensions, click Create New Design. Canva will now generate a blank canvas for you to work with. Now on the left side of your screen, you'll notice the MailerLite integration panel. If this is your first time using it, you'll need to connect your MailerLite account to Canva by logging in. However, for this example, the account is already connected, so we can skip that step and move forward. Next, you'll need to choose a folder where you want to save your Canva design within MailerLite. Select the appropriate folder from the list and click Continue. This ensures your newsletter is organized and easy to find later when you're ready to send it out. Now comes the creative part. Start designing your newsletter right here in Canva. You can build it from scratch using text boxes, images, shapes, and all the design elements Canva provides. Alternatively, if you want to save time, you can use one of Canva's pre-made templates. Just browse through the template library, pick one that fits your brand, and customize it to your liking. This flexibility makes Canva a powerful tool for creating visually appealing newsletters without needing any design experience. Once you're happy with your newsletter design, head back to the left side panel and click on the MailerLite app again. This time, click on the Export button. This action will begin the process of transferring your designed newsletter directly into your MailerLite account. You'll need to wait a moment while Canva processes and exports your design, so just sit tight while it completes. Once the export is finished, you'll see a notification or prompt. Click on Open File Manager to view where your newsletter has been saved. Then click Continue to finalize the process. At this point, your beautifully designed newsletter from Canva is now sitting in your MailerLite account, ready to be sent out to your subscribers. And that's it. You've successfully created a MailerLite newsletter in Canva and exported it seamlessly. This integration saves you time and ensures your emails look polished and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.